So welcome to Belle Lavande Lavender Farm. My name is Terry Mack and this is Wendy Mack.
We wanted to grow something that we could take and sell at a farmer's market. It's a beautiful thing when you see your lavender actually being made into a food product or a tea. Instead of throwing rice, they'll use it in a wedding. It's so versatile.
This lavender farm is our retirement career, we're calling it.
Well, they say it's not stress if you love what you're doing. So we love what we're doing. I mean, the sunsets, the sunrises, the animals, the smell, the neighbors. We love the small town of Lake Trust, that they really care about your business and they really care about you as a person. I've never had somebody be so caring as if it was their own account or their own money.
Lake Trust is pretty inclusive too, because we've had invitations to small business events and that. So they've really kind of pulled us in. It's not just going to a bank, sitting at a desk and looking at money.
It's that feeling of family and really wanting you to succeed and doing everything they can to help you. So we're looking forward to using Lake Trust to move our business forward.
Lake Trust empowers us to know that we have a future we can depend on.